We wake up, brush our teeth, drink our coffee, and leave our house. We pass them every day. We see them everywhere. Yet we have to be reminded to care. We have to be reminded of our humanity. The United States is one of the world's richest countries, with technologically advanced cities like Seattle, Los Angeles, New York, and San Francisco. Seattle, one of America's tech hubs, has an average household income of about $80,000, yet it has the third highest homeless population in the nation. About 10,000 of Seattle's citizens are left to live without a roof over their heads. 154 buildings make up the skyline, yet in 2017, there were 5,485 people sleeping on the streets, and this number only keeps growing every year. We've created plans, we've attempted resolutions, and spent millions of dollars. Why then does this problem seem to be getting worse? I set out to find answers and to discover what we can do on a personal level to help solve an issue that should have never existed. What I found was how astonishingly simple the answers are.